All right, so we're gonna do a one-arm dumbbell row here, which I like to be a bit of a combo of a lat and upper back. Just a slight forward angle and then driving it to the hip. I mean, you're getting lat and upper back on every pulling exercise. It's just you could either kind of target or bias one or the other. This one's just a good combo. At this point in the workout, I'm not even gonna warm up. We've done a bunch of warm up and work sets. This is 95, so let's see how it goes. I just like a little more stability with this kind
more
of
like
stance
a three-point stance.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Put your right foot kind of here.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just bring this one to like there.
Okay.
Yeah. And then create a ton of stability with this and that. And just drive that elbow down to your hip. Don't even worry about pulling it back.
Oh yeah, felt that way more.
Yeah.